Fuck you. Fuck your chicken strips. Boy, crisscross applesauce. Give it dog a ball. The jewel. Look at her. She's having tobacco flinches and shit. Here, hit the jewel, dog.
No, stop it.
Let the fucking dog take some tobacco and
It's
get
not
fucking
tobacco.
lung cancer.
It's nicotine.
Ah, shit, I gotta take a fucking shit. Bitch, this is not the Kardashians. I don't know why you fucking recording me. Try to get quality content off of me.
You
And
are quality content.
I just like said, gave you a heart for like to be nice about the fucking poster, but to be honest, that shit's gonna give me nightmares.
What poster?
That fucking portrait of Austin.
Oh. Yeah. It's kind of creepy. No.
Back to this rap. What the fuck's the switcher? I'm finna play that shit. Here it goes. Who the fuck is texting me? Oh, it's your baby daddy. Hell yeah. I'll be there in no time. I'm probably gonna jam out to my music on my bed after I'm done eating. I wanna relax. What should I say?
Fuck your chicken strips.
Did you know Scooby-Doo
Oh no!
real name is Scoobert? Doobert!